This is Davinci Resolve, the best video editing software ever. And this is Firecut, the best Davinci Resolve plugin ever. And Firecut just got a major update, and it is so much better. Let's talk about it. All right, so Firecut, this was made by Ali Abdul and his team. Absolutely killer product. I use this in literally every single one of my videos. And this plugin will literally save you hours, if not days, on every single video you put out. It's literally that insane. So prior to this update, Firecut allowed you to delete silences in your videos. It allowed you to create automatic captions, create automatic zooms, chapters for your videos, editing podcast clips, all with the power of AI. You don't even really need to type too much in and even just click a button, boom. Yeah, so this is some pretty crazy software just in that one thing alone. And what really makes this so crazy is the fact that you can use this software all inside of Davinci Resolve. So you literally don't even need to leave Davinci. There's been some softwares that I've used in the past, and it's kind of a hassle because you actually have to take your footage and export it and leave Davinci and, re-import it, if you need to do some audio waveform syncing or whatever. And it's actually kind of just a pain to just use, whereas this is built in. Like, you download the plugin, open it up, it has a nice little UI to it, and you're good to go. But yeah, this literally just got so much better. You can use this now to not only delete silences, but you can take out your bad takes in your videos if you need to re-record your videos a million times. Firecut's got you covered. It'll bring up all the bad takes on the screen, and you can just quickly go through and pick out the one that you want to use and click of a button, boop, eliminates all other 500 bad takes. It's crazy. So delete silences, take out bad takes. What else we got? Well, now we have the feature to take out all of your ums and ahs in your videos. If you're somebody like me, you're saying and ah a lot of the time. When you're banging out these really, really long videos, there's an and ah in like almost every single sentence. Firecut, you don't want them? Get rid of them. Click of a button. Curse words, you got kids in the house, you got a PG audience, you don't need to worry about it. Firecut's got you covered. Click of a button. All your curse words disappear. All right, what else did they add? You now have the ability to use this as a music platform. Firecut can find music for your videos. With a click of the button, click insert, add it into your videos. Need a voiceover for your video? You don't have a talking head video. You're creating a documentary style faceless YouTube channel video. 11 Labs, voiceover, they got you covered. Firecut literally has it all now. I mean, what other features do you guys want? Leave that down below in the comments. And to make it even better, if you're watching this video at the end of the year, they have an end of the year sale, which is 50% off. Literally go get Firecut right now down in the description. I use this on every single freaking one of my videos. It's literally that good. I've never used a plugin in all of my videos, but I use Firecut in literally every single one. If you want to waste time, by all means, continue using Davinci Resolve. But if you want to save time and make more money, make more videos, then get freaking Firecut, dude. Click the freaking link in the description. And go click the link in the description right now and use my code at checkout. Might even give you more of a bonus. I'm not really sure. I haven't tested it out. So, yeah, go get it. If this 50% off sale is not on, you will definitely get a bonus from using that code. Go check out and grab Firecut today. What are you waiting for?